Hello YouTube, this is Donny. Going for a walk right now through my grandma's orchard. Here is all the apples, the apple trees. There's not as many apple trees as there was, but there's grapes, we have a grapevine, and I just wanted to show everyone, have everyone go on a little tour with me. I'm walking to my grandma's ponds. It's very beautiful down there, and it's a wonderful fall day, so I figured I would get out and about and show you guys some of the place that mystifies me constantly. I have always felt like that I have a connection to this land. You know when you grow up somewhere and you don't move anywhere in your entire life, which is me, and then you grow up and you realize that you have a stronger connection to the land that you grew up on than you originally realized. Here's a view of where I'm going. A path through the field, the woods. It's just like everything out here, I feel like has some sort of, what's the word? Some sort of consciousness, I guess I could say. It's just beautiful and serene. And every time I look at a blade of grass, and look, there's a black cat over there. Can you see it? Every time I look at a blade of grass or a tree, a bird, an animal, I feel as though I understand them in some way. I feel like as long as they're on this land, as long as they are near me, I have some form of understanding of what they are, what they're feeling. I know this probably sounds like hippie shit, which I know it sounds really ridiculous, and I wouldn't really consider myself that spiritual of a person, but this property means a lot to me. This place means a lot to me. Whenever I am stressed out, whenever I'm down, I am brought back here. And here is the cat. See it? Let's see if I can get closer. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, it's a stray. It's afraid. But yes, this is my grandma's pond. It's so beautiful. I just wanted to share this with my friends.